Okay, I guess first things first, I and Lauren went ahead and tried a counterbalance on the trailer just to see how it would work, how much weight it would take. So we put a cinder block out on the tongue, it seemed to work fine, so I went ahead and just mounted the cart on the trailer like I was going to originally. So the cart is basically all bolted down. You can see the bolts over there. There's a bolt in there. You can't really see it that well. And over there. So there's just 4 bolts that are holding the cart down to the trailer. I put the skins on each end of the trailer, one under the sink, and then the other on the other end where I have the gas coming out. And the reason for that is so that I can go ahead and get the switch installed for the water pump, and then get the gas line attached to the propane tank. Then I can go ahead and test the gas line. I tightened up all my connections for the gas lines today, and then I went ahead and installed a quick connect on the other end here so that we can go ahead and pull off the griddle if we need to. But so generally it was the skins. I cut some metal today, cut it down to length so I can go ahead and do the metal for the other end as well. It doesn't look too bad, so put that on there, drilled it, cuts and drills. It cuts really nice with the jigsaw. With the other blade that I had on my just my regular saw, it doesn't cut real well, so the jigsaw works good though with the metal blade. So that was about it for today. Like I said, I got the skin on there, got the metal, gas lines. Went to the store, they didn't have the one fitting I need, or else I would have finished installing the gas lines today and testing them. So that'll be tomorrow.